How to fix large size problem in Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. As you can see here, whenever I try to create a larger file custom design in Canva, it says that must be less than 43, must be less than 52, so there is an error. What does it mean? It means that Canva has a limit that you can only design up to 52 inches by 52 inches, which is 4.3 feet by 4.3 feet. So above this you cannot design larger than this file. Okay, but I have a solution for you. If you want to design a big banner, very big banner like 10 by 10, 20 by 20, then you can do this on Canva, but with the help of the other software, which is Photoshop. Okay, so the first thing what you have to do is you just need to go to your create new design. Okay, go to create new design, is here, create new design, and just take the maximum size. Okay, take the maximum size. If you are planning to suppose any of the number like 10 by 10, 10 feet by 10 feet, then just take the maximum size and then just come here. As you can see now guys, see, if you want to take a printout, you don't even need to go to Photoshop. If you are going to a printer shop and then you want to take a printout from there, you just take the file, you just make a design and then take the file and then go to that shop and then tell them to resize it in the Photoshop. They will resize it, not a big problem. Okay, now, but if you want to do it by yourself and you have the Photoshop, then you can continue with the video. So what you need to do is, suppose I'll just take any one of these. As you can see, okay, it's a customer happiness. So from here what you need to do is, the design is available. What you need to do is download, go to download, and then you have to select the PNG file. Okay, not the JPG but PNG, and then you have to stretch all the possible way, and then what you need to do is that you need to download. Okay, so take the full size of it and then click download. And after downloading it, what you need to do is you need to go and open your Photoshop. Okay, so right now I am opening my Photoshop, and then we'll drag that image on Photoshop, and then we'll make it 10 by 10 image. Okay, so you can choose any of the size as you want, but for an example only, I'm selecting 10 by 10. So let's go to file here, new file. You just go to new file, and then from here just select 10. So here 52, let's go to check, and then let's go here 10 foot. Okay, 10 foot, then 120 by 120, it will be 120 by 120, so 120 inches by 120. Okay, so just select the resolution. I'm just giving 300, but you can give 500, no problem, and then click on the create button. Now go to the file and open your file from the download. My photo is stored in the download. Now what you need to do is you just need to here just click Control All and then click Control C. It will be copy, and then just paste it here. As you can see, now just click Control T and then drag it here, and then drag down. As you can see, now you just check whether the file is stretched or not. So if the file is stretched, then the text will be blurred while printing. Okay, so let's make sure that the file is not stretched. To do that, you just need to go to image and then image Canva. Okay, and just click here, and then you'll check. So it is not stretched. As you can see, this is fine, more than enough, and when it is print, it will come out more clearly. And then that's it. Now just go to file and then go to save as, and then select the location, and then you can select JPG format, just give a name, and then you can save it here. That's it. Let's go here, and then let's the demo, let's give a demo, and then save it here. Now it is saved. Now let's go back to our folder. Now as you can see, demo, this is the file. Okay, this is the file. It is being saved, 99% is saved. Now let's refresh the page, and then check. Okay, where is the demo, where is the demo is here. Now let's open this and then check. Okay, as sorry, photo can't be open file because the form is currently unsupported. Okay, the format is unsupported, it says like that, but actually it was not ready on the Photoshop, that's why it was showing like that. Now the photo is ready. Now let's open this. As you can see here, so this is it, this is how you can do it. I hope this video definitely helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye, take care.